Hello, First Robotics. We are FTC Team 9930 Robo Knights. We are an after school project based learning engineering team focused on STEM education. The students that make the team were all part of the engineering internship. We have two team missions to inspire others to STEM and robotics by our high caliber effort, to promote STEM and robotics in the Orlando area through active participation in community.
We followed the iterative engineering design process to build our robot and test it. We initially brainstormed many ideas and went with the one that worked the best. We made a prototype of it, and when it was successful, we followed through with the build.
We based our design concept on proven real-world examples. We also used our 3D printer to fabricate some parts we needed to customize the robot.
We implemented an innovative and customizable zip tie intake system to collect the rings. The arm was constructed using Neverest 60 motors using a 2-to-1 geared configuration for additional torque to carry the wobbly goal components. We constructed hard stops for both extremes when deploying and recovering the arm. We used foam padding to secure a good grip on the wobbly goal rod. We also enhanced the claw with an overlapped lip, so the wobbly goal rod would not leverage itself out of the claw grip.
The robot shooter system components are based on the baseball shooter. It uses friction of the soft rubber wheels to take in rings and shoot them out.
During the autonomous period, a robot will first detect the ring stack using Easy Open CV on the phone. It will move up to the determined location and shoot 3 rings into the top goal. Based on the assessment, the robot will follow the path and take the correct carried wobbly goal to the correct target zone. It will then return back to the start position. Then the robot will grab the second wobbly goal and also place it in the correct target zone. Then park in the launch line. This will give us about 56 to 71 points. Then with teleop, we score as many rings into the middle or top goal. We should be able to have a collection and shooting process 3 to 4 times during that time limit. This will give us about 54 to 72 points. During the end game, we carry and drop both the wobbly goal to the drop zone. Then we line the robot close to the launch zone and shoot. This should let us score about 55 to 85 points. If all the tasks go successful, we can earn about 165 to 228 points.
Robo Knights wants to establish a base $3,000 budget every season. We have the National Center for Simulation that granted us $1,000 to be used to establish the robotics team. We also have the Navy Air Warfare Center Training Systems Division as our main sponsor. They provide us with spare component kits and granted us $1,000. The Central Florida STEM Education Council is our nonprofit used to coordinate with sponsors. They have graciously granted us $1,000. Robo Knights has also successfully applied for the grants being offered by Lockheed Martin and received $750 this season.
Robo Knights did our part in mitigating the COVID-19 pandemic. The team created personal protective equipment, commonly referred to as PPE, using our 3D printer and modeling it in our CAD software. Our team is helping our local community protect themselves from the coronavirus by making surgical mask ear protectors. We have been 3D printing them and providing them to local Orange County Walmart pharmacies for the workers to use and give to any customer that comes for their medicine. And we are still supporting local health workers by making PPE. Our team during the summer also produced face shields for the Lockheed Martin Orlando Health and First Robotics PPE project. Our team Robo Knights FTC Team 9930, FRC Team 5816, and Oviedo High School Robotics Team donated 500 face shields in total to the Orlando Health Organization. The ITSEC is the world's largest modeling simulation and training event. The Robo Knights team helped in the creation of STEM content for the virtual ITSEC event this year.
Our team is very proud of our team logo. We designed it to represent the knight and their adherence to a higher caliber. We have our team victory pose of the Iron Hand, used to show our strength as a team and upholding a higher standard for ourselves. Thank you, First Robotics, and our mentors, the great First Robotics volunteers, and the judges.